Hello.
My connection is not working
Yeah, ma'am, we can't hear you.
I think we can rejoin.
Ma'am, it's better now.
It's better. Okay.
At least we can hear you now, right?
Okay. Fine. So, what was the question that?
Ma'am, your screen is not visible. You have to share your screen, ma'am.
I hope you can see now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes,
we can.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
So now you have that the complainant who is not in a position to work, right? And she needs to obviously she has gone through so mental trauma and all, or physical torture, maybe due to any reason. So she needs the help of a doctor. She may have taken the session from psychiatrist, or she may have admitted in the hospital or so. How it is, I mean, she is not able to come, but it's duty of a doctor, it's duty of a family member, it's duty of an HR, or it's duty of the friend. Anybody can lodge complaint on her behalf, right? Now the procedure, if I'll tell about you how to lodge a complaint, you have to submit 6 copies of the complaint, right, to the ICC along with supporting documents. Now, if you have already the supporting documents, that can be evidence, maybe your messages, maybe your letter, your emails, anything, any document that can be evidence of your senior who can be your witness. Name the list of the witness, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 witnesses you are giving, and your witness name, department, division, location where the person is working, and so that you have to submit it to the chairperson, right? You have to submit these 6 copies to the chairperson. ICC shall now is the duty of ICC while receiving this copy of your complaint of the complainant will send to the respondent within working days of 10. We normally 10 days, a maximum 10 days, but normally we don't wait for that time, right? We immediately send that copy to the respondent that this complaint has come in your name by this complainant, right? Next step, the accused or the respondent now has to reply to the ICC about the supporting documents again. Now, as the complainant has right to give the witness's name, the similarly respondent too have the responsibility of or the rights of giving the witnesses in his favor. So that too he has to respond again within the 10 working days from the date of the receipt of the complaint or the receipt of the documents, right? Okay. Now, at the time of taking up this, committee members to forward with the complaint, right, as an inquiry, because recently you have just received a complaint, right? But once you start up with the inquiry, there should be at least 3 members need to present, including the chairperson. I mean, it is mandatory. There should be the chairperson and the 2 other members. That's why we keep it 7 members, so that, I mean, if somebody is busy somewhere, occupied somewhere, or not well, or not coming for some other reason, so at least we should have that member to attend it. So minimum 3 members along with the ICC chairperson need to be there at the time of starting the inquiry, right? In case of ICC fee, it is necessary to transfer the aggrieved women, or respondent can recommend to the employer or to can give leave to the aggrieved women for 3 months. Now, the law has provision. Now it depends upon the severity of complaint. It is not that you got the abuse and you say that you want 3 months leave, because you are aware that law has provided you 3 months leave. 3 months leave we give to the complainant who undergoes through a physical torture or a mental torture, who has a severe impact of this on his or on her body or on mind, right? But if you feel scared or unsecure, then you can ask for your transfer if you have another branch or another department, or you can transfer the aggrieved person also, both. I mean, you have to assure the safety of the aggrieved women. Sometimes you need to give them the give her the cab facility if she is coming to the office. It's your duty to provide her safety to home from to office, office to home, because she may undergoing through a kind of a tension or some kind of a fear that she may be grabbed by the respondent for revenge that she has lodged a complaint. So it's your duty, right? This is one facility the law is providing. The ICC shall conduct such investigation in a timely manner. Normally, we start up, as I said, about the moment you receive a complaint, within 3 days, you started with the complaint to in an inquiry process. But we take up, I mean, the whole process can maximize, take up 90 days. Now, why I'm telling about 90 days, that severity of the complaint, once again, the uh, complainant not in a position to attend it, or the complainant witness are not there, but we want her to be okay, and by that time we wait for her to attend this procedure. Or sometimes the complaint is so complicated that you need to go for re-examination, cross-examination, and all these things. So you need time for that. But law says that 90 days are more than enough to close the complaint, right? And give the recommendation, final recommendation, that this is the penalty for the complainant, or this case is dissolved due to this reason, right? And you have to make a report. And I mean, this is a report to the employer, not to the district office. Now this is report to the management. Okay, for this kind of a complaint, for say about, we talk about Miss Bina's complaint. So Miss Bina's complaint is closed, and these are the findings, and this is the recommendation of the ICC committee. And now the employer is bound again to implement that recommendation within the 60 days, though this is the timeline of 60 days, but sometimes, I mean, we do it promptly. I mean, within a week or within 2 days, or immediately effective from the next day, right? So, but this is timeline is from government side, government mandatory side. So we cannot help it. I mean, 60 days may take some time that the complaint is not so vigorous, or the penalty is less. So we take some time to have the counseling session in between to the respondents. So we take time. So this happens. So management also have 60 days to implement it, but normally we don't take much time. We take it promptly. The complaint committee report will also be made available to the concerned party. Now, as per to the complainant and to the respondent, they do have right to receive the report, final report copy, as a, like now what the committee has took this decision, either in favor or not in favor, whatever it is, or what the penalty it is. It is to be delivered to both the parties. So you can see the summary of timeline under this act. So now I request everyone to come on camera, so that this was the last slide. We can put up the question if it is. We can wind up soon. And anybody who is interested for mechanical redressal procedure, I have a certification course for that. My ongoing batch is there for 8 students right now. And soon I'm going to conduct another one. So whosoever is interested to go about that can write to me, and we can have one more session for that also. And whatever you need to know about that, I will tell in that, but you need to have the paid registration for that. Thank you very much for your patience and your attentive listening and your good questions. Your queries were very much apt, and I really am happy that I am able to answer all your queries. So let me come on the cam now. So I request you all to come on cam so I can see everyone. Surbi, quickly, you can take a photograph of us so that we can keep it for our reference.
Yeah,
I have a question. Yeah.
Yeah, of course, I have already done last year itself in July, one of your certification in POSH. So
yeah,
that is okay. But one company was asking for government certification, not on a private organization. Is that mandatory to have a government certification?
No, it's not mandatory. Any certified trainer can give you, any company who is having certified trainer can give you the training, right? But only one thing is that in near future, right now, this department is closed due to COVID, WCD, Women and Child Development Authority. They don't give you training, right? But they give you empanelment. So they have the eligibility criteria to give you the empanelment under them as a POSH trainer. So that eligibility is the eligibility criteria I'm telling you. Either you are from an HR background, one thing. Second is number of years of experience you have. Are you associated with some NGO or doing some empowerment program? And finally, which is based on that, are you holding the certification or not? If you're not holding that certification, they won't give you the empanelment.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the duration? What is the duration for the certification?
See, right now we started with that. It was 5 days, but now due to Surbi is doing course from me, and you can ask her. It's going to be a month, and we keep on discussing so many case studies. I'm giving the real case study of different companies without telling. I mean, it's a confidential name. We are not disclosing the name of the company, but we are practicing the case study. Every participant in the same case study becomes the complainant, respondent, witness, IC member, and the chairperson. So you can see the one case study takes at least 1 week.
Okay. I'm in this POSH for almost 3 years now. I have faced so many live situations that a lot of have faced.
Ma'am,
That is
can we be on phone? I mean, we can discuss one-to-one on this thing because there is some voice problem. It's not coming to me properly, so I'm not able to
Okay.
hear.
Okay.
So you can
Ma'am,
connect me evening hours for your queries and all. So we
Ma'am,
can you yeah, please, ma'am.
ma'am, just
Ma'am, I have one
quick-
last question, ma'am.
Yes, Saurabh.
Ma'am,
actually,
if I agree,
One by one, I'm here. I'm here. One by one. Let's
Ma'am,
let's
this is
do one
Saurabh.
by one.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
this is
Saurabh.
Saurabh. Ma'am, a quick question from your second last slide, wherein you said that the complainant has to submit the 6 copies of the reports. So,
Yeah.
just the view from your side that one copy goes to the respondent within 10 days of the reporting of such case to the IC. Now,
Yeah.
what happens to those 5 copies?
We'll keep it for record. We are different members. Different members are taking different witnesses. Cross questioning, right? So every member should have a copy of that.
Right, ma'am. Actually, 3 members are mandatory to hold this inquiry. So, in those 3 members, one mandatory needs to be from the NGO, or that can happen. I mean, only 3 internally can
See,
meet.
one thing I said, you chairperson should be there,
Yes,
right,
yes,
to start up the inquiry. There are the
yes.
2 other members. One is the external member needs to be present at the startup of the inquiry, right?
Right.
The inquiry raises, or if there is some uncircumstances not avoidable, then she can be present into the second part also.
All
And
right, ma'am.
the final decision, let me tell you about, if there's a decision doesn't reach on the due to some dispute within the IC committee members, the final
Yes.
decision will be by the external member.
Right, ma'am. And ma'am,
I mean, the
employer
external member is like a judge because she's
Right,
from
ma'am.
outside and she is not biased and she is more experienced, because the other members may not have that kind of opportunity to have that kind of cases in the organization. Say about you have once or twice in a year, but the external member have number of cases in a month.
Yes.
So she is more experienced, so she is more responsible for decision making.
Ma'am, here the term employer means the occupier of the factory.
Yes, or let me clear it. Anybody who is the decision maker, say about the GM of the company, factory manager, right, who is taking the administration and disciplinary part of the organization.
Right, ma'am. Thank you very
Right.
much. Thank you.
Suppose your organization owner is in Canada,
Yes.
and there is a committee members over director, factory manager, GM and all. So whosoever is the manager who or the supervisor, they are eligible to take it up.
Right, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes, welcome.
ma'am, my question is,
Sarah here. I have one question.
ma'am, if
Yes,
the
Sarah.
accused woman withdraw the complaints during the investigation, is it the ICC committee will take the action further?
See, I'm not, see, there are a lot of noise, so kindly, now whosoever are the questions, so please send me through WhatsApp. I will reply through that.
Okay, ma'am.
Right,
Okay, ma'am.
because there is a lot of noise and I'm not able to hear. Sorry? Sorry?
Can you share the recordings of the session? Recording of this session?
Yeah, sure. I will share. I will share at YouTube. You can download from there, or I can, yeah, I'll share with the participant who has attended. But I request you all,
Sure.
I have a group of POSH. I mean, if you one-to-one who has attended the session can send me a message that you have received, so that I can add you on the group. I can send you different article or certain case studies to work on, or we are working on some kind of new updates and all. So we will remain in touch for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Surbi, would you
Thank you,
like
ma'am.
to take a minute?
Really
Surbi,
to put it across to the manager.
Surbi, are you there?
Yeah, I'm pretty much
Yeah,
here.
please,
Thank you
I
so
invite you
much.
once again to please close down, and thank you for the participant.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, Surbhi.
everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for take out, time. I know we have exceeded almost half an hour,
Limit.
even more than that. So, but I'm sure you must have taken a good lesson from that. I hope you all have enjoyed and learned a lot from this session. So, well, some of you have asked, like, is there any organization who provides certification in POSH? So yes, Radha ma'am, she does that. She do provide certification in POSH. So if any one of you would like to have that, please get in touch with her. And thank you so much, Radha ma'am, for this lovely session. And thank you to all lovely participants for your power pack participation in this.
Surbhi, you can share your experience as a student, present student.
Okay, so all right. So even I have 12 plus years of experience in HR, right? And I been in ICC, but I really need to refresh some of the things. So I thought that I'll take this train the trainer program, and it has actually helped me to brush up all my skills and all my knowledge once again. So I recommend all of you to think about this, to go for this training, and it will be really, really much, much more beneficial. Right now, whatever you have seen here is just the tip of the iceberg. So I request all of you, please go ahead and do this training program with Radha ma'am. Train the trainer in POSH. Thank you so much.
Surbhi. Thank you, participant. It is a lovely audience, and I love you all. And I wish you all the best to make your career. Thank you. Enjoy your
Thank you,
COVID
ma'am.
time also, and be safe, be healthy. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank
so much.
you.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank
Bye
you.
to you all.
Thanks,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.